Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Bitcoin had quite the eventful weekend, and I'm not patting myself on the back here, but I am definitely patting charts on the back. For those of you that watched the video from Friday, hopefully remember me talking about down here around 7,200 as support. And sure, the price didn't quite hit that, but I think we can all agree right there, it got pretty darn close. And, so when people say charts don't work, you just got to kind of shake your head. Are charts perfect? No, I'm not saying that. But for people to say that they don't work or that they don't apply to cryptocurrencies is just laughable at best. And I don't want to come across like I have some sort of secret strategy or secret system. No, anybody can learn how to do this stuff. You just got to put in the time and effort to learn charts. So along with, where it bounced, that's kind of the next key thing is Bitcoin obviously went on a very impressive bounce and is currently undergoing the bounce. Again, cryptocurrencies are open 24/7. So as I talk, this candle will continue to form, and over the next 24 hours until I'm back again updating it, this will continue to trade and take shape. But what I want to do real quick is just kind of answer a question here that's quite logical, and that question revolves around the fact that a nice bounce is underway. I mean, when you consider where it was down here and now you look at where it currently is right there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls have made a very nice bounce. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? And the easiest way to illustrate that is just, agreeing on the logic that price movements with true power are going to make progress forward. They're not going to go back to where they were. That's pretty much me insulting your intelligence. Of course, if something is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So where am I defining quote unquote back to where it was? Well, this is where this green line comes into play here at 77.50. Meaning, let's say over the next 24 hours, price pulls back here, bounces around, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low right there. You picture these as stair steps. Hey, you have the stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong bounce is going to do. It's going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, it's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, again, make progress, quote unquote, is being quantified as 77.50. So that is definitely a very important level going forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'll go ahead and get rid of that trend line there. Really, it's kind of a double whammy right now. You have not only the 50-period simple moving average right there acting as resistance, but then you have this previous level that I've talked about before. The price is actually broken above both of them. However, as far as maintaining and staying above it, that's where the price has currently struggled. But that is definitely the key level going into the next 24 hours. All in all, though, from the big picture of things, in my mind at least, 77.50 is that very important level because that's the measuring progress point. If the price is staying above there, that's implying the price is starting to make progress, and that's what's going to need to happen if this move is going to ultimately turn around. So yeah, let's see if the bulls can start making progress or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.